We gonna send this one out to everybody that put more into their cars than they do their relationship. Let's ride.
Modified exhaust systems serve no purpose other than to create fear.
Oh my God!
Chaos. And intimidation.
Some parts showed up. Say hi to the camera, Alex. Damn it. We got the new struts. I went with a pair. And we got ourselves a Flowmaster FX muffler because I've already dodged 2 deer with this thing. I'm not trying to do it again. So I'm gonna get after it. No camera girl. I forgot my camera. So, yep.
20 minutes later.
We got the driver's side one out, and it's safe to say that that turn plate there is bent. So I'm thinking that's our problem, and which would be great, because in that case, we got a backup set of struts. We just need a new turn plate. So I'm gonna get these hammered out so we can get to the fun stuff. Alright, now that the old and busted is on the floor, surprised it's as quiet as it was with all the leaks it had. And the resonator's split right there too. Anyway, that's not what we care about. We care about this stuff. So we're going with 2.5 because I couldn't make 3-inch fit through this tight little snaky piece right there. But yeah, I'm in the process of getting this tacked on so that way it's not all woo. And then due to space, the muffler is gonna go like this, and then I'll have to make tailpipes. So yeah, I'll check back in once I get the pipe and the muffler tacked on.
6 hours later.
I've burned my eyeball. Anyway, so much fun. So, I got one tailpipe done. It's tight quarters back here, so I'm gonna try to hammer this guy out in a relatively quick manner. We can hear what it sounds like and I can go home.
2 hours later.
Well, there she is in all of her glory. Spritzed her with some header paint where I welded it just to keep it from rusting. Get all my clearance blocks out now. 1, 2. Alright, now we see what it sounds like.
Later that same evening.
Alright, now we see how far off this alignment is. The good news is it no longer looks like it's super cambered in on this side, but we shall find out soon enough. Alright, well, toe is out. It says the caster's out, but there's not an adjustment for that. So we're just going to worry about the toe and go. Alright, and on the count, it's almost 8 o'clock at night. We're gonna call that good. I wanna go home.
Nothing screams I'm a douchebag more than fixing your car up to make more noise than it's supposed to.